Can you believe that the contractor actually made it yesterday and he hung my Botticelli that was created for me by Philadelphia artist Perry Milou, who was my neighbor when I had my restaurant in Rittenhouse Square. And I was leaving for New York and I bought that from him to hang in my cafe, which it did. There's all my little damsels on the wall. I love that winter fox. See how it's starting to change colors? It's so beautiful. Speaking of Sullivan Street, that's my sign that hung outside of my cafe at 158 Sullivan Street, New York, New York. I have to get my embossing heat gun and pull those stickers off that door there. I don't know what was going on there. They put stickers on there. And this little alcove, I have to clean that out too. Oh, speaking about done, he is done. Done. Stick around for the finish that I'll tape next because I have plans for him. And I did a little bit of altering on him. I think now that he's done, well, I'll tell you later. Anyway, here's the bookcases. They're going to go. That's next. I'm going to have just shelving going along that wall so that I can get those a little bit more organization. And in that little corner there that I'm zooming in on, that is Honor's Boo Bear and all the little outfits that John bought him. I came down one day and he was in Captain America and he bought him a birthday shirt and he even had a little Gucci outfit. I thought my husband was crazy. I'm like, you are not buying that. But yeah, he bought it for him. My little Wink diamond painting, my first square practice, and that little candle there that says honor on it. There's a little pillow for Mr. Foofy, and there are my bolsters that I used for yoga that they completely destroyed yesterday. I have to take them off and throw them in the washer. But my room does convert into a yoga space. When I fold this table up, I can push it off to the side and I can have enough room to do yoga. But here's really something that I want you to see. I picked this frame up in Goodwill, I think. I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I think I wanted to use it to spray paint it white and hang Nordic Winter. But I'm showing you the back. It's styrofoam. Those roses are paper roses. They're very delicate. I paid $3.99 for this. And I think what really attracted me was that gray ribbon. I love that blue-gray ribbon, but that's just styrofoam. And again, they're paper roses in there that they just kind of delicately put in. And I hung up one of my diamond paintings. I'm showing you Nordic Winter. That's what's supposed to go in there if I had spray painted that white. Again, look at the Winter Fox. Look at how she is changing colors. Oh, gosh, I love that canvas. Oh, my God, she's so gorgeous. So we hung this up on clips because that's probably going to be something that I'm going to do coming up. And then I hung up the I was trying to get this off the floor, actually. I was trying to get this wreath off the floor, and I was like, oh my gosh, perfect. And what a great idea. Now, I went on Amazon, and I was looking up how to create my own styrofoam frame, and you can do it. I'm showing you that they're just styrofoam, and what's really great is when you're done with your painting, you could just push pin into the styrofoam, into that styrofoam, and there you go. You made yourself a frame for, however big. I mean, if you're going to do it, this was perfect for a 40 by 40, but you can make it any size that you want. You can use whatever flowers you want, however you want. You're just pushing them into the styrofoam. And I think I'm showing you now what is behind the door. Oh gosh, this piece of plastic dropping down, it makes her look like she had a stroke. She's starting to look like Betty Davis or something, like really crazy. But she is going to be a finish this month also because there's only like the side of her cheek that needs to be done. And Mr. Valachovic is coming back tomorrow. Just look at the bottom where I've already completed. Look at the brightness of that. Wait until you hear more about that painting. Oh my God. I just love, love, love that painting. And hear more about Ivan Valachovic Also, have to get those stickers off. They're driving me crazy. Again, an embossing gun, a heat gun, just to heat the glue up, and I'll just scrape that off. But I love my little elephant handle there. Now I want to, I have a sheer hanging up on the back of my door because I want to hang it up in that alcove. But this is the Moon by Mucha, from Diamond Painting Shop. And Tracy left me a message, one of my members, that she loves her and she's thinking about getting her. I'm like, get her, because it looks so complicated. But this is a lot of color blocking, but the colors are so seamlessly next to each other in color, in hue, that you don't realize it's so much color blocking. I love this painting. And I was telling Tracy, I started from the bottom, and there's a lot of dark in here. There's a lot of like 939, 823, but they're separated by these black AB drills. You can see them. And then there's those yellow AB drills that are the stars. I don't know. I don't think the little white orbs in the back are ABs. Beautiful shine on these. And this was a square for me. I was just starting to venture into squares, which I think I did a pretty good job, being that it was dark drills. So I worked my way from the bottom to the top, and by the time I got to the top, I was like, oh, thank God, color, color. There are a lot of ABs, pink ABs in her flowers around her head. Now, here's what I tell you as a tip. When you're done with your diamond painting, get your camera out and really investigate your placement. Now, I can see where my placement was not that great, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to fix all that. That's just like an aligning issue. You could see I have a lot of gapping in there, but that crescent moon behind her is all, that whole row is all ABs. And one of my subscribers said, oh my God, she looks like Princess Diana, the way Princess Diana would put her hand up to her mouth like that and look with her head tilted down. And I told Rosa, and that was it. Like, I think she sold out of everyone at that point, because we love Princess Diana. I think I would also change out those yellow ABs for a little bit more spark. But look at the way the gown is blowing up. It gives it such movement, like she's floating. It's such an ethereal quality to that diamond painting. I love it. I love it. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hi, Perry. If you should see this. Awesome artist. I will see you as always in the next one. Bye.